కొంచెం తలలే Yes, listen everyone. You write and listen my words. There is a word dentist. What is that word? Dentist. What is the meaning of dentist? The person who treat the teeth. Next, what is the meaning of cardiologist? Heart. The person who treat the heart. The person who treat. What is the meaning of nephrologist? Nephrologist. Kidney. Pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. Cardiologist. Heart. Pulmonologist means lungs. Very good. Next.